Your brain is being rewired without your permission. Every notification, every scroll, every quick check of your phone is literally changing how your mind works. And the worst part, you probably don't even realize it's happening. Think about the last time you tried to read a book for more than 30 minutes, or sat through a movie without reaching for your phone. Feels almost impossible, doesn't it? That's not a coincidence. That's your attention span being systematically destroyed. But here's what most people don't understand about this focus crisis. It's not just about being distracted. Your brain is actually being hijacked by something called the dopamine reward system. Every time you get a notification, your brain releases a hit of dopamine, the same chemical involved in addiction. You're literally becoming addicted to distraction. Social media companies know this. They've designed their platforms to be as addictive as possible. The average person checks their phone 96 times per day. That's once every 10 minutes you're awake. Your brain never gets a chance to rest, to focus, to think deeply about anything. Here's the scary truth. Research shows that our attention spans have dropped by over 100 seconds in just the last 20 years. We're losing the ability to concentrate on anything meaningful. But here's what happens next that changes everything. Remember that time you opened Instagram for just a minute and suddenly an hour had vanished? That's called the vanishing hour phenomenon. Your brain goes into this weird autopilot mode where you're consuming content but not really processing it. You can't even remember what you saw. It's like that hour was stolen from your life. This isn't just about productivity. This is about your ability to connect with people, to learn new skills, to create something meaningful. When you can't focus, you can't grow. You become stuck in shallow thinking, reacting to everything instead of creating anything. But here's where it gets interesting. Your brain has something called neuroplasticity. It can rewire itself. The same way it learned to crave distractions, it can learn to crave focus. The question is, are you willing to do what it takes? The solution isn't to go live in a cave. It's about strategic focus training. And the most powerful technique I've discovered is something called the pomodoro method. It's deceptively simple but scientifically proven. You work for 25 minutes with complete focus, then take a 5-minute break. That's it. Why does this work? Because your brain can handle almost anything for 25 minutes. It's long enough to get into flow state, but short enough that you don't feel overwhelmed. The breaks actually help your brain consolidate what you've learned. You're not fighting your biology, you're working with it. But here's the part most people miss about digital detox. It's not about deleting all your apps forever. It's about creating boundaries. Turn off notifications. Put your phone in another room when you need to focus. Use website blockers during work hours. Small changes, massive results. The meditation piece is crucial too. Even 10 minutes a day trains your brain to notice when it's wandering and gently bring it back. It's like doing push-ups for your attention span. Every time you catch your mind drifting and redirect it, you're building mental muscle. Here's your 7-day action plan to rebuild your focus. Day 1, turn off all non-essential notifications. Day 2, try your first 25-minute Pomodoro session. Day 3, put your phone in another room for 1 hour. Day 4, start a 10-minute daily meditation practice. Day 5, use a website blocker during your most important work. Day 6, read for 30 minutes without any distractions. Day 7, reflect on how different your mind feels. Most people will watch this video and do nothing. They'll go back to scrolling, wondering why they can't focus. But you're different. You understand that your attention is your most valuable resource. Once you lose it, you lose everything else. Your focused mind is your superpower. It's what separates you from the masses who are sleepwalking through life, reacting to every ping and notification. When you can focus, you can learn anything, create anything, become anything. The choice is yours. Stay trapped in the cycle of distraction or take back control of your mind. Your future self is counting on the decision you make right now.